So today we're going to learn how to do a yard sign and how to add foil. So you want to double check that your laser printer isn't preserving any of the black ink. So I'm just going to show you that I'm grabbing a black cardstock piece of paper and feeding it through my laser printer. So here's the black and white. And you want to make sure it's printed on a laser printer so that foil can stick on the ink. Let's get started with the foiling process. I'm using the Glaminator from Xyron and just setting it up for a foil setting, so it's the last button at the end. So I'm just preparing right now, trying to decide which one I want to do first, between the white or the black, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to foil them both. So I'm going to use some silver foil from Xyron and some copper. The Glaminator comes with this protective sheet, clear sheet, so I'm going to use that, and it helps to flatten the foil. So I'm just going to put the piece of paper inside the clear sheet and cut out foil. For multiple layers, you want to just cut out a piece of whatever color you want that certain section to be. I hope that makes sense. So for example, I am cutting a piece of silver to cover the seal. And then I'm going to cover the rest of the sheet with the copper. Once I have everything covered, I'm just going to feed it through the Glaminator. As I'm waiting for that one to finish up, I'm going to start the black printed sign. Once that's done, you just want to rub down the foil. I've learned that if you quickly remove the foil, then you just tear some of the foil off the page, but if you rub it down gently, since it's still pretty warm and hot, then the foil applies better. So here it is. I think it looks really great. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the black one. Same process. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I did the black. So once that's done, I am going to go ahead and change the setting on the laminator so I can laminate the signs. Since I couldn't decide between the white one or the black one, I decided to do double-sided. So I'm just going to feed it through the laminator. That's really just it. Just laminate the foil sign, and once that's done, you just want to go ahead either tape on the back of the sign or hole punch it and add ribbon. There are many ways you can create this sign for your yard.